Alright guys, so we're working on Luke's Courier today. Going to be putting 2-inch lowering blocks in the back, winding the torsion bars down a little bit in the front. We're installing a fold out, one of my fold out head units. So he's seen the one in my Hilux and thought I've got to have one of them. So yeah, we're going to be putting that in there today, giving it a little bit of a birthday. But anyway, let's get into it. Guys, if you've watched the video this far, do me a solid favor and rewatch the last 10 videos that I've put out on YouTube on this channel, because I've been editing them in different ways and putting them together using different music and all sorts of different things. And I'd really like to know which ones you guys like. Do you like the really, really short videos, or do you like the medium ones or the longer ones? Do you like the way they've edited it, the music I've used, blah, blah, blah. Just get on there, watch them, let me know what you think, because it's gonna determine how I do my next 100 videos. And I would really, really greatly appreciate your input. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.